How to improve Bixby voice recognition accuracy on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on advanced features. Then at the top here, tap on Bixby. Then we go down and tap on voice registration. Now go down and tap on improve voice recognition accuracy. Here's it, record your voice again in places you usually use Bixby. The more recordings you make, the easier it will be for Bixby to recognize your voice. So tap on the start button. Hi Bixby, start a 30-minute run. Hi Bixby, create this week's meeting schedule. Then tap on done, or you can tap on record more. So the more recording you make, the better the accuracy for Bixby. Hi Bixby, how many steps did I take today? Hi Bixby, turn on the air conditioner at 10 o'clock. And again, you can record more, or you can tap on done. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.